to earn the deep respect of men. Do you want to know the secret to earning their deep respect using psychology? In this video, we reveal the 7 powerful rules that every woman should know in order to gain the respect of the men in her life. These 7 rules have been tried and tested and have been proven to work time and time again. So sit down, relax, and get ready to take your relationship to next level. So let's get started. Rule number 1, respect yourself. Hey girl, are you ready to learn the secret to earning the respect of the men in your life? Well, let me tell you. It all starts with one thing: respecting yourself. I know, you probably heard it before, but trust me, it's the foundation of everything. When you respect yourself, you exude confidence and self-assuredness that is totally irresistible to men. But what exactly does respecting yourself mean? Well, for starters, it means having a sense of worth and self-esteem that is out of this world. It means having the courage to stand up for yourself even when others disagree with you. It means being comfortable in your own skin and not letting anyone else's opinions dictate how you feel about yourself. It also means being honest with yourself and not settling for anything less than what you deserve, knowing your worth and not allowing anyone to treat you in a way that is less than respectful. So, if you're ready to take the first step towards earning the respect of men, it all starts with respecting yourself. Trust me, when you do, they'll be lining up to treat you like the queen you are. Rule number 2, speak your mind. Alright, so now that we have covered the importance of respecting yourself, let's move on to rule number 2, speaking your mind. And let me tell you, this one is a game changer. Men love women who are honest and upfront about their thoughts and opinions. It shows that you have a strong sense of self and aren't afraid to express yourself. And let's be real, who wants to be with someone who just agrees with everything they say and never challenges them? Boring. Men respect women who are willing to stand up and speak their truth, even if it means disagreeing with them. But here is the thing. While speaking your mind is important, it's also important to be respectful in the way you do it. You don't want to come across as rude or aggressive. Instead, be honest and direct. Speak your mind in a calm and assertive manner and you'll have men hanging on your every word. And the best part? When you speak your mind, you'll not only earn the respect of men, but you will also feel more confident and empowered in yourself. So go ahead, speak your truth and watch the respect in. Rule number 3, set boundaries. Alright, now we're getting into some serious stuff. It's time to talk about setting boundaries. And let me tell you, this is where the magic happens when it comes to earning the respect of men. Setting boundaries is key. Men respect women who know their own limits and aren't afraid to enforce them. They respect women who are clear about what they are comfortable with and what they're not. It shows that you know your own worth and won't let anyone push you around or take advantage of you. But setting boundaries isn't just about earning the respect of men. It's also an important aspect of self-respect. It means being firm and clear about what you will and won't tolerate. It means not allowing anyone to manipulate or control you. And it means standing up for yourself and being assertive. And the best part: when you set healthy boundaries, you'll not only earn the respect of men, but you'll also feel more in control of your life and relationships of your life. So go ahead, set those boundaries and watch the respect pour in. Rule number 4, follow your own path. Alright, we are on a roll. Now let's talk about rule number 4, following your own path. Men respect women who know what they want and aren't afraid to go after it. They respect women who don't let anyone else dictate their lives, or tell them what they should and shouldn't do. They respect women who have their own dreams and goals and who are willing to take risks to pursue them. It shows that you have ambition, drive and a strong sense of self. But following your own path isn't just about earning the respect of men. It's also about living life on your own terms. Don't be afraid to try something new or go against the grain. Don't be afraid to be different or to stand out. Men respect women who aren't afraid to be themselves and who live life on their own terms. And the best part? When you follow your own path, you'll not only earn the respect of men, but you'll also find more fulfillment and happiness in your own life. So go ahead, pave your own way and watch the respect pour in. Rule number 5, put your health and happiness first. Alright, we're getting close to the end, but we've saved one of the best for last. Putting your health and happiness first. Men respect women who take care of themselves and make their own well-being a priority. They respect women who don't let anyone else's expectations dictate how they live their lives. They respect women who make their own decisions and don't let anyone else make them for them. It shows that you have a strong sense of self and the courage to put your own needs first. But putting your health and happiness first isn't just about earning the respect of men. It's also about living a fulfilling and balanced life. Don't be afraid to say no when something doesn't feel right. Don't be afraid to put yourself first, even if it means disappointing someone else. Rule number 6, prioritize. Self-love. This one is a game changer. Prioritize self-love. Men respect women who love themselves and treat themselves with kindness. They respect women who are gentle with themselves and are able to forgive themselves for their mistakes. They respect women who are able to accept themselves, flaws and all. It shows that you have a strong sense of self-worth and self-compassion. It means being kind to yourself, treating yourself with compassion, and not being too hard on yourself. When you make mistakes, it means loving yourself for who you are and not allowing anyone else to define you. And the best part? When you prioritize self-love, you'll not only earn the respect of men, but you'll also find more self-acceptance and happiness in your own life. So go ahead. Love yourself and watch the respect pour in. Rule number 7, be honest. When you are honest with your partner, you show that you have integrity and that you are trustworthy. Plus, it's just way easier to remember the truth than try to keep up with a bunch of lies. Sometimes it can be tempting to fib a little to spare your partner's feelings or avoid conflict. But trust me, honesty is always the best policy. Being upfront and truthful about your feelings, thoughts and actions is the foundation of a healthy relationship. And here's the thing: men really respect women who are honest. It shows that you have nothing to hide and that you're willing to be vulnerable and authentic with them. Plus, honesty helps to build trust, which is crucial in any relationship. So don't be afraid to be honest with your partner, even if it's uncomfortable or difficult. It's better to deal with the issue head-on than to let it fester and cause even bigger problems down the road. In short, honesty is the glue that holds relationships together. So always be honest. Remember, by applying these 7 simple rules, you can not only gain the respect of men, but also improve your relationships and overall happiness. So don't wait. Start applying these rules today and see the difference it makes in your interactions with men. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.